Thank you very much.
Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, the celebration of Côte d'Ivoire's anniversary is an opportunity for us to say a few words about our country. Allow me to remind you that Côte d'Ivoire is the West African country with the population of approximately 30 million inhabitants and with a GDP of 70 billion US dollar. The Ivorian economy under the leadership of its president, His Excellency Alassane Ouattara, maintains strong growth, economic growth since a decade. And we have a projection of more than 70% growth for the coming years. Long life to the African Cup of Nations between our countries. Thank you very much.
So I'm happy tonight to propose to the unity and continued stability in our West African region, and particularly that our relations with Côte d'Ivoire will continue to flourish. I look forward to further cooperation through the instrumentality of the Office of His Excellency, the Ambassador of Côte d'Ivoire, and I wish all of you a brilliant evening in celebrating the independence, the National Day of Côte d'Ivoire.
The representative of Sarah Energy. Thank you very much. Then Mr. Tony Shekwafa from Zemat Liquor Limited. A round of applause, please. Mr. Sumaru Adama, the president of the Côte d'Ivoire diaspora in Nigeria. A round of applause. Major partners and sponsor of the AFCON promotion in Nigeria, Mr. Thierry, the country manager of Air Côte d'Ivoire. A round of applause. Mr. Adebayo Adedeji, the CEO of Wakanam. Mr. Williams Isaac from Jet Business Charter. Madame Cécile Mambo, the Managing Director of CDM Tourism and Trade. Okay, thank you. Not too much, not too much. Thank you. Take one. Okay, you can open it.
The ticket number is 113.
113 is the winner of the first ticket. Please come join the stage. A round of applause, please. You are from which state?
I'm here from Nigeria.
Okay, thank you very much.
You will receive the instrument to be ambassador of the AFCON also. Thank you. Let me give